panels, the rear floor panels for the 87 Cutlass. Found out that mine were a little bit rotted, so I decided to get factory looking ones instead of just welding sheet metal around it. Overall, the quality feels sturdy, looks good. A couple scratches here and there, or quite a bit of them, but it's just really more scuff than scratches. But it's gonna get painted anyway, so I'm not gonna make a commotion about that. Just want to make sure there isn't any dents or bends. Part number if you need them. Fresh from eBay, about 165 I believe for the pair, but it's like 90 bucks if you buy them separate. So I just opted out to get the pair. One side of mine are alright, not too bad, but I figured if I'm gonna change one side, I'm gonna change out both. Yeah, I don't really have the name of the company. I'll be sure to post that in the link below. And once I go ahead and try to fit them in, I'll be sure to make an update on the fitment if it truly does stand up to the original material. Until then, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Want money, cars, flights, clothes, anything anybody could ever want. All eyes on me, so cold. Feel the spotlight.